Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surikula Gibrakusi, and now I would like to show you how to find correlation analysis by using Microsoft Office Excel. So let's check it out here. So there's three ways how to find correlation analysis by using Microsoft Office. The first is by using graph, the second by using function, and the third is by using data analysis. So let's go to the first method. In the first method, we use graph there. So first, square the value of score by jets A and score by jets B. Then press Ctrl Q. Then here, we click chart and find scatter plot here. Okay, we find the scatter plot. Then wait, I will make it easy so that we will find the trend line here. From this we can see that the R will be 0, but for make it sure, we have to prove it again by using here, by using display R squared value on chart. Then we check here. Okay, it will be displayed here. Then for make it sure, we can use R equal sqrt 0. Yeah. So we found that the R is 0. So we go to the second method. Okay, maybe here is enough. In the second method, we use data analysis. Go to data analysis first in the data, then click correlation. In here, we have to square all the variable and the value. Then we check the label in the first row, it's correct. Then we choose where the output is. Okay, output. Then click OK. So we can see that R value is 0. Then the last method is by using function. Okay, maybe here enough. R is equal to correl. Okay, then we square the value of score by jets A, then comma the score by jets B. Okay, we break it. Then we click enter. How? We can see that the value is 0 with 3 methods. So we can show that the value of R is 0. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.